Hi everyone, another parent needs help on a word problem. Are you ready? Let's begin. Mariam had caps for sale. In the morning, she sold one-third of the caps. In the afternoon, she sold one-fifth of the remaining caps. After that, there were 56 caps left. How many caps did Mariam have at first? First, I need to draw a long bar. Then, I will cut it into three equal parts. She sold one-third of the caps in the morning, so I will mark 1 unit morning. This will represent the number of caps that Mariam sold in the morning. She sold one-fifth of the remaining caps. We know that the remaining caps here are represented by the two equal units that we have left here. But there's no way I can make 5 equal units using the 2 units there. So what I will do is to cut each unit into 5 equal parts. We know that 1/5 is also equal to 2/10. This means that 2/10 of the remaining caps were sold in the afternoon. So I will mark the 2 units afternoon. Now I can already cut the one that we marked morning into 5 equal units as well. Now we have equal parts. After selling the caps, she had 56 caps left. So I will mark the remaining units 56. How many caps did Mariam have at first? We will now draw a bracket that covers the entire model and mark that with a question mark. Now let's start with what we know. We know that 8 units are equal to 56. So to get what 1 unit is equal to, all we have to do is to divide 56 by 8, and the answer is 7. If 1 unit is equal to 7, we need to find out what 15 units are equal to, so we multiply 15 by 7. The answer is 105. Mariam had 105 caps at first. So there you have it. I hope this video was able to show you how fractions word problems can be solved using the bar model method. Now, if you want to learn more on how to teach children or your students the bar model method, we have the bar model method on-demand webinar for teachers and parents. Here you will learn about the bar models and the benefits of using the bar model method. You will also learn how to use the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division bar models. We will also solve one-step, two-step, and multi-step word problems. If you are interested to join, all you have to do is to scan the QR code that we have here. Now, if you want your kids or your students to master the bar model method, I have the perfect book for you. This is the Singapore Math Bar Model Method, from beginner to advanced level. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that you can scan that will lead you to the videos of the discussion of the word problems in the book. If you are interested, all you have to do is to scan the QR code that we have here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.